How to create or register for your Airbnb account. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded your Airbnb app on your device. If not, you can head towards Play Store or App Store, search for the app and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You will land to this kind of interface. Now at the bottom, you're gonna see different options. Head towards the option of login. Now click on the option of sign up. Now from here, you can easily create your account. You can use a phone number or also you can continue with email, Apple ID, Google or Facebook. I'm gonna use email. Now go ahead and type in your email address over here. After you type in your email address, click on continue. Now I have to fill this. First up, type in your legal first name, then type in the last name. Go ahead and select your date of birth. Then generate password for your account. After you provide all the details, take it for this option. Then click on agree and continue. Now you will be receiving verification code in the email address that you have just entered. Close this and check your mail. So you can see that Airbnb has sent me the mail. Open the mail. So this is the code. You can copy it. Then type in over here. Click on agree and continue. And just with that, you have registered for the Airbnb account. So this way you can easily create your Airbnb account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.